Good morning for you.
I am morning. How are you?
Good, not bad.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Hey,
Yeah.
how was your day?
Sorry, what was that?
I'm saying, how was your day?
How was my day? Yeah, the day was nice. It's nice and sunny here in New Zealand.
Oh,
Yeah.
is it summer or is it winter?
Yeah, summertime.
Summertime.
Mm.
Oh, it's the same as South Africa. I think I think New Zealand, South Africa, and Australia, they have that relation in between.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, especially the white people. Most of the white people there are from Australia.
Yeah.
I think I heard that there's a history that somehow they came. Most of them they are here in South Africa. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
and they said,
Mm.
is it true that South Africans they got similar accent with New Zealand people?
Yeah, the natives.
Oh,
Yeah. They talk a
uh,
little bit like this. They talk like this. Yeah, we like this,
uh,
Yeah.
I see. But your accent now is very, very good, especially you know how Indians they speak.
Yeah.
So,
Well, you haven't met like proper Indians, I guess, because
mm,
I would say 50%, no. Let's say between 50 to 60% of Indians, they speak really good English.
oh, huh.
Mm. So
Because here in South,
you may
yeah.
have never come across people speaking, they have a good command over the language. Um,
Oh, hmm.
yeah.
Because here we also got Indians here in South Africa.
Right.
Yeah, and they are very modernized now. They don't even know how to speak their own language now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let me share the screen with you.
Right.
Okay. So basically, today we will be doing formulas. Or start with formulas.
Right.
Uh, okay. Have you ever used the functions and formulas like if functions, uh, some if, and all those things? Have you ever used them before?
The actual formulas?
Yeah, yeah.
No, I haven't.
Okay. I
That's the
don't
reason I'm
worry.
here.
No problem. I don't worry. I know everything. And the way I am teaching is because I have now an experience in coding. I don't
Mm.
want to teach Excel as if it's some sort of coding or stuff. I want to
Right.
make it very easy, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
So if I teach you that you must memorize all the principles in the
Mm.
formulas, then it will take you years for you to be able to grasp the formulas. But
Right.
now I have a method that I use that is gonna make you to really, really know how to use the formulas. Formulas,
Right.
and so there's a difference between formulas and functions. So formulas formulas are basically about equal to. Okay, let me just. Can you see my screen this side?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So it's basically about. Let me see. Why is it not pressing equal to? Oh, okay. There's something I did here. Name.
Oh, enable editing. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so basically it is we have formulas. Formulas. You know the difference between formulas and functions.
No.
Okay, the formulas are these ones: equal to, minus,
Right.
plus. Yeah, these are all formulas.
Okay.
So, so basically, if we're saying we are learning about formulas, fundamentals.
Mm.
So we are actually talking about plus, minus, multiplication, and division, and all those things. So all of those are formulas.
Right.
So yeah, for example, we're not gonna get deeper into this, but let me just use some formulas because I think maybe it will give us a basic, like for you to understand what's really is formulas and what is the functions. Because
Right.
now when you get into to be an analyst, whatever analyst you'll be, whether you're a financial analyst,
Mm.
healthcare analyst, and so forth. So you're gonna you have to know formulas,
Mm.
especially formulas, advanced formulas.
Mm.
Okay, so now we have revenue and the cost. So the revenue and the cost, we know that we can, if you want to get a profit, you say, okay, so you just say is equal to,
Mhm.
and then you click the revenue. The formula is saying revenue minus the cost.
Right.
So you see revenue minus, and then you click also to this
Right.
uh,
B2B2.
yeah, for the, yeah, then there is a profit. So we can do
Right.
the same here as well, but all we have to do is just drag here, because automatically we have done the first part, so now Excel
Right.
can be able to do the
Okay.
rest. Yeah, yeah.
Right.
So, but do you know how to use this one? It's Do you know how to use this method that I was using now?
Um, well, I didn't, but it's very straightforward. So that's really understandable
No. Okay,
and easy
okay,
to understand. Yeah.
okay. Yeah. So
Mm.
yeah, no. So now, we also have okay. Okay. We also have this side here. So now we
Mm.
want
The
to.
tokens.
uh, Yeah. So now firstly we were using minus. Now we want to use a plus now.
Plus.
So
Okay.
you see, we want the total now for this and this and this. So it's a total. So all you have to do is say one in this one plus this one plus this one. So this is a formulas. But now the easier one is to say sum now. You just say sum, and then you highlight everything you want to combine, and
Mm.
then you press the end.
Okay.
So
Right.
so you can also do the same thing. Like you remember here, when I calculated the first one, I just
Mm.
drag. So I can drag here as well. So automatically it is
Will
calculated.
calculate.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So okay, now we need to find the text now. The text is given by, okay, now we have used a minus, subtraction, we have used addition, which is this one, addition. So now we want to use what's multiplication now. So remember, these are formulas. We're not yet in the functions. Like for example, in the interview, you may be asked, what are the formulas? What are the Excel formulas? So you
Right.
basically just know, okay, it's multiplication, subtraction, addition, and so forth. So yeah, then we have this part here. So we know we can before we always have to put equal. So we know profit is, in order for us to get a tax, you have to multiply profits with the tax rate. So we will say 60, then you put a star. So star is a multiplication for us.
Multiplication.
Yeah, then you times with this one. So this is our a text.
Okay. Proceed.
Then
Right.
yeah, then I don't need to, let me see if it will work this one. If oh sorry. Let me check if it will work. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Yeah.
Hmm.
So okay, then I have to do one by one. Then I just say 50 times this one times this one. So we are just passing here. I just want to give you the
Hmm.
basic. Yeah. So yeah, we can also give a total here and say sum. Yeah. So yeah.
Right.
Okay. This one is clear. This one. Okay. Okay. So yeah, we can. Let's just go here. Oh, let me just start here. Okay, this one now is very, very important because
Hmm.
it's a statistic function. We call it statistical functions.
Hmm.
So that analysis is built under statistic. So now we got questions. Most of our questions, whether it's business questions or especially question that is always dealing with numbers. They have a stats behind. So that is why you need to understand the statistic from behind, and then you can be able to answer those questions. So basically, these tools like Excel, Power BI, Python, they are built under statistic. So to be able to use these tools at its full potential, you need to understand statistic. You don't need to understand like a advanced statistic, but you really need to know statistic. Okay, so now uh, we have here the cookie name, cookies sold. So we have chocolate chip, we have oatmeal raisin, we
Hmm.
have sugar cookie, we have a snickerdoodle, a birthday cake, peanuts, butter, fortune. So these are all the cookie names.
Hmm.
Then we have cookies sold. Yeah, so now we can be able to see, okay, this cookie has been sold this much, and so forth. So now we want to know how many cookies were sold. So how can we answer this question? Remember, when you want to execute something, you have to put is equals.
Hmm.
So, how many cookies were sold? Now, I'm gonna teach you to use this button here. Have you ever used this button here?
No.
F of X. So, so you won't have to stress about memorizing formulas, because
Hmm.
if you want to memorize formulas, you'll think Excel is complicated. So it wasn't built to be complicated. People are
Hmm.
complicating it. So now we can just click here.
Right.
If you click here, there is this button here. This button uh, has formula. This formula that you can write like this, sum, what, and you see, this one is making things. You see, there's even this, if you have to memorize all these things, if you,
Mm.
so the pattern allows you to get a little bit relaxed. So you can just say f of x, then we can say how many cookies were sold. So basically, they are asking the total or the sum of
Mm.
all the cookies that were sold. So you can just say sum. So you just search sum and then it will show we got all different types of sum.
Mm.
So we can click the first one. So the first one is, say we have these boxes here. So what we need to do is just highlight here. Highlight everything. Already
Right.
it is giving you a what? An
Mm.
answer. You
Answer.
see. Yeah. So if you notice here, it is doing all the formulas that we were supposed to do for us. Me, I just need to put in the
Mm.
box here, you see. So
Mm.
s- yeah, that is our answer. So if I
Mm.
double check and do like this, you will notice here in the bottom, sum is equal to
Some
4.
4421.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so now most cookies sold. The most cookies it is sold. So which one is the most cookies sold? Then you can click here, f of x. Then the most is maximum. So you basically searching for maximum and click OK, and you do the same thing. You highlight.
I like how big it does. Right.
Yeah, yeah. So by default, it's saying 97.
Mm.
So this is the maximum, you see. So yeah,
Right.
it's making sense as well. So
It does.
okay, now, yeah. So the list of cookies sold, what do you think it's gonna be if the most was maximum? The list is gonna be what?
36.
36. Okay. So what's what will be the formula? What will be the formula now?
Minimum
Minimum, yeah. So minimum, then we highlight everything. So 36, I
36.
see. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so now we got second most sold. So second most sold. We know we got most, we know we got least,
Mm.
but now the second most, the third most, the 10th most, the fifth most, you see. So there is this second and there is most. These two goes together. If it is fifth, then it
Mm.
must have most. So you as an analyst or a statistician, you're catching the words now. You're catching the terms. The words that I use, they are telling you which formula to use.
Mm.
If you say the most cookies sold or maximum, the least or minimum, second most or maybe even hundreds, a most sold, you see. So as long as there's a number and there's most, therefore you're gonna use this formula here. You're gonna use large. Don't know if you've ever thought that large can also be a formula.
Right.
So large now. So large for two things now. You don't need to memorize, you just need to know, okay, this
Mm.
problem needs large. So the array, what is an array? An array is the table with the numbers that you want to execute or calculate. So
Right.
basically our array will be this one now. and then a K, it says is the position a from the largest. From the largest. So the largest is which one? Is 97.
97. Hmm.
Yeah. In the array or cell range of the value to return. Okay. So basically, in a simple term, so K is a position, like second is a position. So now we know if it's talking about the first, there is a position, second position, third. So now they want us to know the second position of the most sold. You see. So K will be what? What do you think a K will be if K is a position number?
Mm,
It will be 2. You see. So
right.
yeah, so if they said third most sold, then it
Oh,
will
then it
be
will be 3.
3. Yeah, yeah.
Right. Okay.
So
Got it now.
yeah. So now you know second most sold is 77. Great. So let's say maybe they
Mm,
said the fifth most sold. So what do you now? You do tell me where to go. Direct me now. Where should I go?
so we'll click on that FX
Eh,
and then we'll write large
large. Okay.
and then we'll click go or OK.
Eh,
And
and,
then because yeah, we we are going to select all the figures
okay.
and then we got the array and then for K we will write 5 because we're looking for the fifth most sold figure
Okay.
and then press
Great.
OK.
Great. Yeah, yeah. Hey, very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. So basically saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is
Hmm.
the fifth. Yeah. Okay. So okay, now we want the second list now. If you can maybe guess, what do you think the formula will be?
Small because opposite of large is small.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, okay.
Small. Yeah, you see, that's how
Right.
you know statistic goes like that.
Yeah.
So what do you think I'll put him?
Uh, so are we gonna select all of them or we'll still
Yeah,
select all of them, isn't it? The figures.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
And then we'll write the K value will be 2 because we're looking for
Two.
second least.
Okay. So before I put the K, what do you think will be the second list here?
Second least is 40.
It's 40. So you see,
Hmm.
yeah, great. I answered it in the wrong place.
Yes.
Yeah, let's say this one. Uh, then we say,
2 and then right.
okay. Then we have a of cookies with sale. So basically, is this hash is a count, means count. So it's a
Hmm.
count of cookies with sales. So okay, we have to do what is called count.
Right.
So yeah, and then we have we always gonna put the array here. So what is the answer is 7. So count. You know how count is work, how does count works?
Mm, no, just the way you've just explained.
Okay. You just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Right.
So count down. So if you double check here, if you double check, you will notice count is 7.
Right. Count seven. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah. Okay, so now we know count is 7. So how many cookies sold is a maximum. Most cookies sold uh,
Minimum.
sorry, it's some this one. How many
Oh, of
cookies
course,
sold
yeah.
is some.
Yeah,
Yeah, this
some.
one is maximum, and this one
Mm,
is what?
minimum.
And this one,
Large.
this one,
Small.
this one
Count.
is count. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then we have the average sold now.
Mm.
The average sold. Uh, okay, we're gonna come here again, say average. You see here is this place is for lazy people like me. You see, no stress, no stress. So you can just so I'm teaching you how to be lazy.
That's good. Because I'm very active. I want to be lazy sometimes.
Yeah, hey. So we no longer we are everything is trying to make us to work smart, not hard.
Yeah.
Most of the time, me when I started to work, I thought, ish, you need to, like people when they are typing, like,
Mm.
that you sure that's really working. But now, you need to be able to have few clicks, but
Mm.
you have a lot of things that you have done in a short period of time, you see.
Yeah.
So that is so it's smart. You're coming
Yeah.
back at home, you're not tired, you can still maybe do other things as well.
Yeah, that's great.
Uh,
That's why that's
Yeah,
that's that's the point of having a technology.
yeah,
Because if we're
yeah.
still working like a
Mm.
donkey, then what's the
Yeah,
point?
you see, yeah, yeah, yeah. You see, like this one, what is this symbol in the bottom?
As a
It's,
co-pilot,
it's Copilot.
mm.
So you know why is it called Copilot?
Because we are the pilot.
Yeah, you see, you are not meant to be a Copilot. If this AI is smarter than you, then you become a Copilot. Then if you are smarter than it, if you are
Mm.
able to control it, tell it this, do this for me, do that for me. And sometimes you need to correct it because it's not
Mm.
accurate. So then you are what? You are a pilot. So,
Yeah.
but other people they think, hey, AI knows everything. AI just do this for me. Then it will do errors, and then you end up and you end up thinking maybe AI is smarter than you. That's one
Mm.
of the things. And there is why people, especially in South Africa, when you're talking about data and AI, they
Mm.
say, no, 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 don't bring this to our company. You want to take our jobs now. The
It's
AI is gonna,
yeah,
yeah,
same everywhere. People are panicking.
yeah, you see. But you are teaching them to be pilots and work
Mm.
with the AI, how you can work with the AI
Yeah.
to save time, to
Mm.
work smart. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so we have average. Average is 60 point something. Okay, so let's double check here. We have average here.
Mm.
It's the same, yeah. So what does the average means? Because yes, even in high school, we were learning a statistic like this. Teacher just throw, like, just give you numbers, do calculation, give you formulas, and then he says, yeah, you can be ready for the test. But now, as an analyst now, you need to know what does these numbers, what does average means? What does average represent? See, so average always represent a performance. It's an average. Average is the same as the mean. If you're talking about the average, it's the same as what? As the mean. Most of the time it's the mean. So if we are talking about the performance of this, let's say these are January sales, and we want to know what is the performance for our January sales, then you have to give out what? An average, you see. So if you want to, let's say in the class, I want to know the student performance, like, okay, class A, class B, class C. What was the performance of all these classes? Then I have to find the average or a mean. It will tell me that's okay. This is the performance for this class, you see. So that is what average represent. So now we know our performance was what? Was 60%. So now next month, we know if we got maybe 65%, then we can compare and say, oh, we have improved by 5%, you see. So yeah. Then we have what's is the middle. So the middle one, what do you think is gonna be the middle one? The function you're gonna use?
Um, should be middle
Nope.
or median.
Median, yeah,
Median,
yeah.
yes.
It's median. So yeah. So yeah, it's median. What's happening? Okay, median. Okay. So we're gonna highlight everything. Then it will be
52.
50. This 52, yeah. So this is our middle now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the middle. Yeah. Okay, so what occurs most frequently? You see, we got frequently, we got most, we got least, we got second most, we got, you see, like those third most, fourth most, second least, third least, you see, a count. We got how many cookies sold, like the total. So the total is given by sum. You see. So this is the language now. It should be in your mind. Okay. We want the middle one. The middle one is what? The median. So you are always translating the normal sentence into the statistical language to solve the problem. Yeah. So what's occurs most frequently? What do you think is gonna be this one? Frequently. We don't need to or nowadays this word frequently or repeatedly, you see. Yeah. So basically we're gonna use what is called a mode. Mode.
Mode. Okay.
Yeah. So a mode, uh, it says, okay, it says returns the most frequently occurring or repetitive. See, these are the terms. So these are the terms you're always gonna find on the normal sentence. Repetitive or repeatedly occurring frequently. Yeah.
Frequently, right.
So which one? without doing anything, Jay, there is which one do you think is occurring frequently here?
52, because it's
52.
the value is coming twice in
Mm,
the table.
okay. Okay, let's double check. See,
Mm,
50.
52.
So, yeah, great. Yeah, so you understand this one so far.
Yep, I do. Very good. Thank you so much. Yeah. It was very easy to understand. Like,
Look.
yeah. I
That's
mean
great.
that's the thing you were right, like people do make things so complicated to understand, and that's
Mm,
why this fear is created around like learning Excel or any kind of,
mm,
um,
mm.
um
Mm, yeah, that's true. Because
yeah.
me, when I started to learn,
Mm,
I saw I don't know how many classes I checked, but I wasn't satisfied. It's no man. I have
mm,
to memorize the code in Python. I have
yeah.
to. I still have to come here. This is too much. So I needed to find a way, man. I say, how can I make this thing easier? You see, even to teach for someone else that is next to me. I found it this party and I realized that, oh man, this is the solution. We don't
Yeah.
need to memorize the functions.
Mm,
You really don't need it. It's no need. So yeah, that is why you were finding it very difficult all these years because we all know that you need to memorize the functions, you see.
mm,
So if you can
mm,
come here under formula,
mhm,
so formulas we got ultrasound. So we can see we have f of x. These are all the f of x functions, which is this one. So the ultrasound functions are sum, average, count numbers,
mm,
is see maximum,
mm,
minimum, let's see more. So all these one that are
mm,
showing here, you see. So let's say maybe you got an interview or yeah, they ask you this question. They will ask you maybe like maybe like as a multiple choice. They say sum, maximum, and so forth. Then you know, oh, these are also sum. Yeah. But the most important thing is to know how to use them, how to use them to solve business problems. So we have financial formulas, but we don't need to know, we don't need this one for financial. We have logical, we're gonna use uh, false, ifs, left. So these are all the logical functions. We have text. These are all the text, time, and so forth. So yeah, these are all the formulas, but we accessing them through this pattern, which
ethics,
is f
right.
of x. Yeah,
Mm,
yeah. Okay, so now uh, I was thinking whether I should start with this one or start with logical functions. But no, let me start with this one because it goes
mm.
together with this one.
Okay.
So
Right.
we have conditional functions now. Conditional functions is one of the advanced functions that you need to know. So basically, uh, conditional functions, basic functions, logical functions, lookup functions, uh, these formulas, you need to know them. If you're talking about someone who knows Excel, you
Mm,
are expected to know these formulas. You see, for any job, if you are working in finance, you are working anyway, you are supposed to know. Then they can say maybe you are in a intermediate level or and so
right.
forth if you know them. Okay. So conditional functions. These are functions with condition. They are not difficult. They are difficult, but they're not difficult.
Functions with condition.
Yeah.
Mm. They're not difficult,
Okay.
but there is a condition.
Yeah.
Terms and conditions apply.
Yeah, yeah. So, okay. We have some if. Remember, we had some now. We have some that side, but now we have some if now. So now there's a question now. Someone is saying to me, I want the total of all the cookies that were sold. These are all the cookie names, the country cookies sold. I want all the total of all the cookies that were sold in United States. You see. So here they want the total of all the cookies. So it's unconditional. Whether it is what and what and what, it's unconditional. But now, if I say we have United States, we have India, we have Philippines. So we want only the cookies that were sold in United States. Then it's a what? It's a condition now.
Right.
Okay. So we're gonna use some if. So some if means you are dealing with only with one condition. So in this case, we want a cookie sold in United States. So we're gonna search some if. So another word for condition is called criteria. Like if you notice here, we got criteria. Yeah.
Mm.
So the range, if you notice, there is this a black, a range is dark here and criteria is dark, which means they are going together. So we're gonna have a range a will be a table with a condition. So that is why I say they go together. The criteria means a condition. A range means a table. So it's a table with a condition. So which table is a condition? Is this table?
Mm.
What is the condition? The criteria is United States. So only highlights United States.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Then the sum range is this one now. Sum range is the table that is having all the numbers that you want that you're supposed to calculate.
Okay.
So yeah, sum range. So it just highlights everything about those numbers. So basically it says we have the total of all the cookies that were sold in United States are 362. Let's double check. Oh, sorry. Here, okay, the first thing you need to know about this table is this. Make sure, make sure the the capital if there's capital letters at the beginning, everything must be in capital, everything must be the same, all the wording must be the same.
Mm.
Mustn't be that maybe this one is a small letter, these ones are all the same, but maybe this one in the center is a small letter.
Mm.
It won't be counted when you are doing the sum if
Right.
it won't be counted. So yeah, make sure even here, make sure if sugar cookie here, this sugar cookie must be same as this sugar cookie, must be same
Mm.
as this one.
Right.
So,
Got it.
okay, so now we say sum if. Okay, then we have the range, the table with the condition. So we have this one,
Criteria.
uh, a criteria. So then we have, okay, I think this. Okay, then we have this one. there's something I'm not doing good here. Okay, so basically what I need to do is, oh, okay, sorry. You see, this thing, I always make this mistake. I remember there's this student from Namibia. She always corrects me with this. So,
Right.
so, so we have the range. We have, okay, when you're coming to the condition, you only click one here.
One.
You
Okay,
click,
you don't select the whole, right?
yeah, you
Mm.
don't, yeah, that is why I show, yeah. So just
Okay.
click one, then here you highlight
And then
everything.
click this one.
Yeah, so it's okay
Right.
now.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's check now. You see, the total of all the cookies that were sold in United States are what?
362.
362.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. So let's check now in India now. In India. So okay, now I want to hear from you. What do we put here on range?
Right. So it will be the column B. We'll select the
Column B.
column B.
eh,
And then in the criteria, we'll select only one India.
Only one. Hey, that one is a capital letter. Yeah. Okay.
And then column C. And then we'll
So,
go okay.
okay. So let's double
Yeah.
check. It's, let's see.
301.
It's, yeah. Let's do this one as well. Okay. What's we gonna do?
So which one are we doing now?
We want to check the
Of
total.
Philippines. Okay,
Yeah,
Philippines. Right.
Philippines. Yeah.
The same column B. We'll click column B. We'll
Okay.
take
Mm-hmm.
one Philippines. And then
Eh,
we'll select C.
see.
And
Okay.
then
Yeah. So we know now. Let's analyze now because we want also. I'm teaching you two things at the same time so that we can get used.
mm,
So now we want to understand what does these numbers. What's these numbers are telling us. Okay. Which means in Filipino we have sold so many cookies. You see,
mm,
it says 440. Then the list was when in India now. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we got some ifs now. Some ifs. We have more than one condition now. The first condition was it was to choose was the sum of all the cookies that were sold
mm.
in United States or in Philippines. So basically we had one condition. But now someone is saying, no man, tell me what's what's how many cookies that were sold in how many chocolate chips that were sold in United States? How
Right.
many chocolate chips were sold in India? Chocolate chip in India. You see, so there are two conditions. There may be even more condition. There may be more than three. So basically now we will use some ifs now. If the conditions are more than a more than one, yeah. Okay, so there's some range. There's some range. The best thing that you can do here when you're dealing with the sum ifs
Mm.
is because it's gonna confuse you with the others summary. So you
Mhm.
must click here first inside criteria range so that it will show this option.
Okay.
Then you know, oh man, this criteria range goes together with criteria
Criteria.
one. Yeah. So here, this one is going alone now. So basically, the sum range with the range with no criteria is going alone, but this one is going to get.
Mm.
Okay. So now we have a some range. What if you can maybe guess which one is this one?
Some range.
It's
Is it column? No. Is it column A?
mm-mm.
No.
Remember, these are
Mm.
numbers.
Oh, right. Some. Okay. Total. Okay.
Mm.
We'll select the column C.
Column C, yeah, that's great. So me, I do like this, but you can highlight like this if you
Mm.
want. So then criteria one will have to be the first condition. Up to you which condition you want to start with. So criteria range is the table with the first condition. So I will have to highlight this one. That's the first table with the condition. So what is the condition? The first condition here is United States. Because remember, we want the total of all the total chocolate chip
Mm.
sold in United States. So now we know we have the criteria range is the table with the condition,
Mm.
criteria is the condition. Criteria range 2 is the second table with the condition. So
Right.
it is this
Okay.
table. Yeah. Then
Got
the condition is choco the chip.
chocolate chip. Mm.
See. So yeah, basically now, if you still on this part here, have you noticed that it is only showing the total of the first condition? You see, 362.
362.
Yeah, but now if you include this one now, oh, okay, let me position it like this because the first ones I did the same thing.
Mm.
Okay, you see now it says 28,
28.
which so the total of all the chocolate chip that were sold in United States is 28.
28.
Yeah. So now let's check the chocolate chips that were sold in India now. So you tell me now what's to do here.
Right. So we'll select the column C, the sum total,
Okay.
and then before doing that, we need to click on that criteria range to make
Okay.
another criteria.
Okay.
Um, then we'll go back to the sum, select the column C,
Okay.
and then in the criteria range, we will select the column criteria range. Yes, we'll select the column B,
Column B. Okay.
and then we'll go by selecting India, just
India.
India,
Okay.
and the next one,
Oh, sorry. Let me do this one again. A. India.
India,
A.
and then the next one we will select column A,
Okay.
and then we'll get um, chocolate chip cookie
Chocolate
only.
chip. Okay. Oh, I'm doing everything on one column, on one box.
That's okay. It's early morning for you.
Yeah. Okay, so
And
even in like if you want to prove, we know that's in chocolate chip in India 75.
75.
Yeah, 75. So now in the Philippines, let's see. Mm, okay. So you see how it's easy. It's easy
Mm.
now. Okay. So, but what we're gonna do is, let me see. Let me see the time. Uh, do you have the data set there by you?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So what I'll do is, I'll just these are principles I'm giving you.
Mm.
So the rest now you're gonna start this from okay, we're gonna go back here. You do it for me just to remind while I'm in this. I think like in 15 minutes, I'll just give you 15 minutes. Then you just do everything before we can close the class. So that I know we're finishing the class, you can apply these things. You see,
Mm.
yeah. Okay, so then we have okay, we want the Philippine now. Philippine will be the sum range. Okay, tell me what's we gonna do. We want now the chocolate chips that's sold in Philippine now.
Mm. Right. So, same will go in the second block. We'll click there
Okay.
and then we'll go back to the sum.
Mm-hmm.
We'll select the column C
Column C. Okay.
and then we'll select the column B
Column B. Mm-hmm.
and then we'll select Philippines.
Philippines. Okay.
Then we'll select the column A
Okay.
and then we'll select chocolate chip
Okay. So I can
for
even pick
Philippines.
this one.
Hmm?
Yeah, you can pick anyone because they are all, you
Oh,
see,
yeah,
they're all the same. Yeah.
right.
So, yeah. So we know it is
55.
55. Okay, so what does this tells us now? The chocolate chip, which country? The chocolate chip has been sold the most.
Philippines.
Nope. The one that is in the
Mm.
center. Remember, this is the United States, this is India, and this is Philippines.
Oh, India. Sorry.
India.
Oh, yeah,
So does
forgot.
so does the Indian like chocolates the most?
Maybe.
So yeah, now I know Indians they like chocolates.
Yeah, they eat a lot of sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, hey. Okay, so yeah, now we will remember what did we say the average is for?
Average
It's,
was the mean.
is the mean, and
Mean value.
what do we use it for?
Uh, to calculate the average of like what was the average
Mm, like I want
the
the basic way to like because you are studying this so if you're saying average, it sound mathematical, you know. We're trying to bring this into the real world language. So basically, it is used for performance.
performance here.
Yeah, whether it's financial performance, whether it is for sales, whether it's for
Right.
the class. Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Okay. Okay, what I will do is you cut now, you see, we're doing the same thing over and over.
Mhm.
Whether it is average, whether it is average if, whether it is count ifs, maximum, we're gonna apply the same
Mm.
thing.
Right.
So what I want you to do now is uh, you can share the screen with me that side. You'll start from here. You
Right.
will have to you'll calculate this, you'll just do it together. You just do it yourself. I'll be watching you,
Right.
and then you also fill up these ones. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So should I just open the ones you have sent on the
Yeah, you can
email?
yeah, please open yeah, the one that is called the formulas and functions. Yeah.
Because I do have Microsoft, I do have Excel, but
Mm,
it's asking me to open with, then it's giving me the options Google Sheets, App Sheet, and then if I click on connect more apps.
Oh, you please share the screen with me.
Okay.
Stop sharing.
Right. So this is the
Okay.
one you sent it.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So it says here open with. So if I click open with,
No,
it doesn't.
just did you download it?
No, I haven't. Should I download?
Yeah, download. Yeah,
Okay, right. Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Then you yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you can enable there.
Right. Yes. We were at logical functions now. Conditional.
We're going to basic functions. Yeah. Oh,
Or from basic functions.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Uh, Click that enable edits there in the top.
I'll just make it minimize. It's too big for my
Okay.
eyes.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's not open. Tell me later.
Okay.
Right. So,
Just forget about me and just do it.
okay. Also, you have deleted everything.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. How
Yeah.
many cookies sold? Okay. So it's the sum. So the formula was, I don't know. Mm,
Okay.
so you have to type it as well. Oh,
Just say Control A.
oh,
Oh,
control A. Okay. Right. Control
yeah.
A.
Yeah.
Control
Yeah.
A is for
Okay.
delete.
Okay.
To
Do
select. To
Control Z.
select. Yeah.
Say Control Z.
Yeah. Yeah.
Control.
Control Z is the undo.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's great.
Oh, I didn't undo. Okay,
That
never mind.
didn't. I know it's fine.
Delete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay. So number one, almond cookies sold. Oh, I forgot about this. Number two. What was in the
Don't
number?
you see the number one is dark, so which means it's
Yes.
the one that so
Hmm.
these other ones you don't need to
You don't need to.
you
Oh, yeah. Yep.
yeah yeah
Got it. Got it.
yeah.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So most number of cookies sold. So the maximum.
No. The first one is you didn't calculate it, the first one.
I
Remove
haven't.
that. Yeah. Go to f of x. Yeah. Okay.
It was a sum.
Mm. Then
Um,
remove that's a yeah.
and then we'll
Mm.
select and then
Mm.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
right here. And then most number of cookies sold. So most maximum.
Mm.
Okay. I thought it doesn't give you if I write max.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maximum.
Mm.
Okay.
Good girl.
And then least number of. Yeah, I feel like I'm back to uni or school.
Yeah.
Minimum. Okay. Second most sold. I hope I
Is your
remember this.
favorite song? Is your
Mm,
favorite one this one?
Yeah. um, what was it? The second most sold. Uh, what was the uh, okay, maximum, minimum. Then there was count. I know this one was count. Um,
Mm. Mm.
large. Got it. Now, so large. So array was uh, is the range of data for which you want to determine the kth largest value. Okay, so it's the whole, and then here it will be because we're looking for the second most sold. Here it will be 2.
Mm.
And then
See,
okay.
you see
Yep.
how easier
Yeah.
it is. You can even
Yeah.
study the notes as well. Yeah,
Small.
this one is your favorite. Yeah.
And again, second. Yeah. And then
Mm.
this was the count.
Mm.
Count. So that is number of cookies with sales. Okay. Value one. Count. This is the again this second. Ten. Sorry, I've forgotten this one. Am I doing correct? I've selected the whole. I think it's not
Mm.
supposed to be.
Yeah, it's okay. Count is actually counting 1, 2, 3, 4,
Right.
5.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
That is
Mm.
correct. Okay.
Mm.
Right. Now the average sold is average. The average sold. Something like the average. Right. What number is in the middle? Number is in the middle. Mean.
Mm-mm, mm-mm,
Was
mm-mm,
it no?
mm.
Median, median, not mean. Median.
Yeah, yeah.
And what number occurs most frequently?
Mm.
Frequently. Mm, frequently. Mm,
Remember, we even had frequent, we had repetitive.
mm,
Mm. So what was that one?
mm,
Try to write a frequent there, frequently, and see what's gonna.
mode. Mode.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mode, yes.
Now you're gonna these functions are gonna be in your head. Don't worry.
Right.
Mm.
Radio. Is
Yeah.
it done?
Okay.
Done.
So which 52 is this one? Or like on the what's in the middle one, the middle number, which 52 between the two, which is which one?
So this one, because it's coming,
Mm. Okay, okay.
because we're
Now let's
looking for the most frequent one, frequently, what's happening like again and again, repetitive
mm,
number.
yeah, that's good. Okay, I know it's good job.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah, you can go to conditional functions. Let's
Conditional
see.
now. Right. Finding anything anywhere? Not now. Thank you.
So what
Okay.
you'll do is you'll do the
Mhm.
sum if and sum ifs, and then the average and the rest is gonna be your homework.
Okay. Right. Got it.
Okay.
Cool. So somewhere. Let me remember how we did this. Okay. Right. Some F. Some F. Okay. So some F. Okay. So the range is how
Remember
many?
the colors. Remember the colors first. Remember that's the range is in what color? Check the color first.
And black.
Mm,
Bold.
mm. So what does it tell you? And criteria also is in bold.
Mm.
What does it tell you?
That they go together.
Mm, mm, mm. So if they go together, then uh, which means your first highlight is wrong. That's one you put.
Yes. So range is column B, and then criteria is the specific country.
Mm, mm, mm.
Right. Oh, I'm doing something wrong. Uh,
We want the total of all the cookies that were sold in United States. All the cookies sold in United States.
some the range
Mm.
and All the cookies in United States.
Mm-mm, mm-mm.
No,
Remember,
no.
you're doing what you were laughing me
Yeah.
up. Don't cancel. Don't cancel. Okay, go
No,
back.
that's all right.
You were laughing me about that one. Now you're doing it. So I'm laughing at you also now.
I mean, I remember that, but then I thought, oh, am I doing something wrong?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot this one. Give me a bit of a hint. Just one hint.
Okay. Okay. A range. Remember range and criteria. They are bold, so they go together. Which means criteria. If we say the word criteria, what does it mean?
Yeah, the condition.
It's a condition. So which means since both of them are bold, which means
Mm.
it's a range is a is a column or a table with the condition. So in this case, which table has a condition?
Um, B.
Mm. So you highlight that one. And then criteria.
And in the criteria, it's United States.
Mm. Mm. And then the sum range is the column with the numbers that you want to calculate. You see.
Right. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Right. Because I
Mm.
was taking it the other way. I thought this was the
Yeah.
range. I completely forgot. Okay. Got it now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. 362.
You
Okay.
do now do for in the so that it can your mind can record it in the next
Right.
to 362 next to 362.
So next to, okay.
Yeah.
So F, then we have, and criteria was India, and then some range.
Then do for Philippines.
Some some
Some if
F.
yeah.
mm, Criteria was Philippines, and then the some range. Okay.
Mm, mm, that's great. Yeah, so yeah, do now average. So now you so some ifs, I mean, yeah, some ifs
Hmm.
now. We want the Now we want the sugar cookie that was sold in United States.
Right. So some range is the total,
Uh, mm,
and then criteria range one is hmm, so-
it's a sugar cookie that was sold in United States. So there are two conditions now.
yeah. So this one, and then in United States, and
Mm,
then criteria two is total cookies, and we're looking for the sugar cookie.
mm. Yeah, so do now for India and Philippines.
Some has some range, then criteria. So we have first criteria, then we're looking for India. Then criteria two is the whole of the cookies, and then we're doing the sugar cookie
Mm,
right here. Okay.
mm,
Okay, some range. Then criteria. First criteria is the country. Then we're doing the Philippines. The second criteria is the cookies. The type of cookie is sugar cookie.
Mm,
Right.
see. So India, they don't like sugar. Why?
Sugar cookie. And they've
You
already
see,
eaten chocolate chip cookie.
yeah, but see. Yeah, I see now. Okay. So yeah. So try to do average if any average ifs now. Then they maybe count if and max
Mm,
minimum is gonna be a
mm.
homework. Okay. Try
Right.
to
Okay.
do yeah.
I'll stop sharing.
No, they do it
Oh,
now. Do
oh, do
average
it
if.
now. I thought.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Do
thought you said
average if.
homework.
Oh, okay. No, let's do it as a homework. Then the next time, then you're gonna show me. Gonna show me.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. But
No
you
other homework.
understood everything. You don't have any question.
Yeah, no, it was very pretty straightforward. And
Mm.
I think it's just a matter of like remembering
Yeah,
all those
practice.
terminologies. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna send you the recording. I'm recording this lesson. You can go through it as well. Yeah,
Okay,
and
right. Right.
yeah. So try to share with you the link. Yeah.
Okay, right. Oh, that's good. And another thing I just wanted to ask is this time okay for you? Because if it's too early for you, I can like do it the other way. I can do the morning and then
Mm. No, it's okay for me. It's okay. I think it's the best one. So we can use this
okay.
one.
Right,
Yeah.
okay, right.
No.
And just wanted to clarify the days were Monday, Thursday,
Mm.
Friday.
Yeah, Monday
Right,
this
Mon
first, which means next week we're gonna start Monday. Yeah.
right.
Mm.
And same time.
Same time. Yeah.
Same
Same
time,
time.
right? Monday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, right.
Mm.
It's just because
Okay.
I filled the form. I should have taken the screenshot when I was clicking.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and
No,
now
I'll
I'm
say
like,
I'll do
oh,
this. I'll do the
mhm.
screenshot for you. Do the screenshot. I'll send you the screenshot so that you can always remember.
Right, yeah, because then I can put everything in my calendar. Um,
Oh,
yeah,
no
and
problem. Mm,
just in case, I kind of like forget and didn't see
mm,
your invite, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I missed the class.
yeah,
You'll keep on waiting.
yeah. Maybe you've gone somewhere. Yeah, I understand. Yeah,
Yeah,
but it's
yeah, no,
if
no.
I'm always flexible. If maybe there's an issue, let me know
Mm.
before time. Then we can maybe shift it. Let's say maybe
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
something that's yeah. So just tell me in time.
Right, right. Okay. Hopefully there won't be anything, but just in case, I just kind of like sometimes forget. I've got
Mm,
so many things in my mind going
yeah,
on.
no, understand. I
Yeah,
understand. Yeah,
yeah. So that's
I
why
know.
I'll just put in the calendar. So it kind of reminds me like 2 hours before, oh, okay, this is what I have scheduled for
Mm.
today.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, yeah, and also if you know anyone that you love them also to be part of the class, you can let them know as well.
Yeah, I will definitely. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No,
No, you've
no.
made like the very first class, it's very impressive, like
Mm.
you kind of like taking that fear away, like slowly,
Mm.
slowly, like the fear I had with the Microsoft Excel. Yeah.
Yeah, no. This is the way I'm gonna teach you. You
Mm,
just need to you're gonna use f of x. Even when we do
right.
advanced formulas like
Mm,
x lookup, h lookup, v
mm,
lookup. That's where
right.
you're gonna appreciate the use of f of x
Right.
because those
Okay.
those formulas they require a lot of steps, so you
Mm,
can't remember all the steps. You
yeah,
see
yeah.
now you got now you're trying to understand, your mind is trying to
Mm,
understand conditional functions, basic function.
yeah.
Now when you get to x to lookup functions, Now, your mind now, you can't memorize everything
Mm.
now that you have
Yeah,
studied.
correct.
So basically, you just go there, you just click f of
Mm.
x, search for mod, search for x
Yeah.
lookup. Then things are easy now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Cool. Yeah. No, thank you so much. Yeah, really appreciate it.
Mm.
And yeah.
No problem. No, thank you so much.
Oh,
We'll meet another time.
yeah, yeah. See you on Monday, hopefully.
Okay. No, have a good weekend.
Yeah, you have a good weekend as well and a good rest of your day. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you so much as well.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.